today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble this Portland 13-inch string trimmer. First thing to do is tighten up this handle. I'm going to loosen off a little bit first, get it in a better position, and then we can use the knob on the back here to secure it in place. We are going to extend the shaft on the string trimmer, so we're going to turn this and pull it out, and then we're going to tighten this back up. Down here you can change the angle that the head is at, so we're going to go about here. We're going to engage the guide. You don't need to use this, but I like how you can store it out of the way when you're not using it, so you pull it out and then slot it into the holes at the front here. Make sure this side is still located in there. Now you're going to get a Phillips screwdriver, remove this screw. We're going to take the guard with all the arrows in writing facing the shaft, and we're going to slide this on. So it's going to go like that, and slot it in either side. See the screw holes lined up there, so we can put this back in, and then tighten the screw up. And that's how to assemble this Portland 13-inch string trimmer. If you want to find out how to restring this string trimmer, watch this video here next.